Okay, everyone, so just wanted to show you the aftermath of the snowstorm. I shoveled the porch today. I cleaned off my mom's car. This pile of snow here, it's all been plowed, snow blowed. The cars have been cleaned off. All down here, it's all been snow blowed, plowed. The cars back here are also cleaned off. This whole driveway here, it's all snow plowed. The upstairs neighbor shoveled over here today a little bit. If we walk down there, the neighbor used his truck with the plow to plow this. He also used a snowblower. I have a clip of him using a snowblower. I'll probably put that at the end of this. The cars have all been cleaned off. I'm gonna show you what everything looks like. Brr, it's really cold. Look at the huge pile of snow from all the snow plowing. Look at all the snow. Look at all that. This is pretty crazy, isn't it? But this is the aftermath to the snowstorm that we had earlier today. It's pretty intense. Everything's all plowed now. Look at all these big snow banks here. Look at all this. It's quite a bit. Nice Christmas lights here. They look good. The road's got a lot of slush on it. It's been all plowed. We got a lot of snow. But this is the aftermath. So I think it looks pretty good now. So before, there was tons of snow where I'm walking. Like in my last video, there was lots of snow, but now it's all been plowed. All the cars are cleaned now from all the snow. The stairs here are all cleaned off. The porch is cleaned off. I shoveled the porch, and I shoveled a little bit over here. And the neighbor did some shoveling too. So everything's cleaned off now. And he was snow blowing today over down there. I'll add that clip in there now. So enjoy.